Here for News Plus Views. Today we are at Analytica Anacon happening at the Geo World Convention Center in Bandra, and we have with us a big pavilion, Shimadzu. Shimadzu Excellence in Science. They are celebrating their 150 years anniversary, and we have with us Mr. Bhaumik Trivedi. He is the business deputy manager of business development, and he will be telling us exactly about the brand Shimadzu, about their 150 years anniversary celebration. Sir, please.
So we are as you know that we are celebrating 150 years old, and since 150 years old, we work on a single concept, contributing to society through science and technology, and that is what we are looking at. At this platform, we are here to showcase our scientific capabilities.
Can we go there and show some products? And you are about your clients like Lupin and all these famous
Yes,
clients.
ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead, sir.
We have the chromatography and the mass spec systems, which you can see. So, and we also have the spectroscopy systems, which are available with us.
This one?
Yeah, this is the HPLC system which we have, and it's one of the go-to system when it comes to pharmaceutical and testing industry is concerned. And this is our latest LCMS triple quad system, which is a flagship model in industry for now. And we are looking towards a great future for the scientific fraternity to exit this technology.
So, sir, there are different brands like ISO certificates or etc. So, what kind of certificate you have got, and you have like 150 years of experience.
Yes.
So, what you can say about Shimadzu Excellence?
Yes, we have the all compliance which are required for the industry to function these kind of instruments. So that is what makes us one of the go-to brand for Indian market as well.
And sir, about your clients, like one I know about Lupin. What are the other brands, the famous brands of Shimadzu?
There are a couple, like we are working with multiple pharmaceutical companies. We're also working with a good number of diagnostic laboratories, even the forensic science laboratory, government of India. Like Lupin, as you mentioned, we are working with Cipla, Cipla Pharma. Similarly, we are working for Newberg Group in diagnostics. We are working with Lalpat Labs as well.
Let's go come over here again for the 150 years celebration of Shimadzu, and I love the decoration. Sir, what is this? Is your mascot?
Yes,
Jensen.
he's the founder of Shimadzu.
Jensen.
Yes, Zenzo Shimadzu is the founder of
Genjo. He is the founder, Genjo Shimanzi, and we are celebrating 150 years Shimadzu Excellence in Science. We had with us Mr. Bhaumik Trivedi.